You asked, how to divide 2303 by 20 using the long division method. 2 is too small. Use 23. 23 divided by 20 equals 1. 1 times 20 equals 20. 23 minus 20 equals 3. Bring down 0, making 30. 30 divided by 20 equals 1. 1 times 20 equals 20. 30 minus 20 equals 10. Bring down 3, making 103. 103 divided by 20 equals 5. 5 times 20 equals 100. 103 minus 100 equals 3. The remainder is 3. The final result is 115 remainder 3.